Keyland Polymer introduces UVDURAPRESS, a patent-pending, high-speed flatline process for finishing engineered wood panels with UV-cured powder coating. UVDURAPRESS replaces liquid solvent-based waterborne and UV paints and laminates used to finish Oriented Strand Board, particle board, and medium-density fiberboard. UV-cured powder coating is 100% solid, exceptionally efficient, cost-effective, and has a small carbon footprint. The following animation demonstrates the speed and efficiency of UVDURAPRESS, developed by Keyland Polymer. UV-cured powder is applied and then melted as fast as 30 seconds. Using a roller or a platen press, the melted powder is smoothed and fused to the face of the panel. Once pressed onto the face of the panel, the UV-cured powder is instantly cured with energy-efficient UV LEDs, or UV arc or medium pressure lamps. Immediately after UV curing, each panel is ready for shipment or secondary processing. The resulting UV-cured powder finish is exceptionally durable. The UVDURAPRESS finishing system is scalable for full sheet panel mill finishing or cut-to-size factory finishing. The UVDURAPRESS system is fast at 50 to 150 feet per minute, compact, and energy efficient. Each UVDURAPRESS finished panel requires only one coat of UV powder and has a smooth and exceptionally durable finish. Use UVDURAPRESS to finish engineered wood panels, furniture, and architectural components, or construction, farm, and industrial panels. UVDURAPRESS and UV-cured powder coating enables energy-efficient and low-carbon impact finishing of engineered wood panels. Contact Keyland Polymer Material Sciences for more information on the innovative and environmentally beneficial features of UVDURAPRESS.